What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to connect Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So in this case, you might be wondering how do you exactly connect your two accounts here for Coinbase and Phantom Wallet. Now, let's go and explain a few things. So Phantom Wallet and Coinbase here are different platforms that has their own addresses that you could use on your account here. So if you're looking for a way to directly connect them and collect them into one account, well, right now it's not yet possible for them to be really connected, like really connect your account. Now you should be like for example, you're looking for to access your details or your funds or your crypto on from your Coinbase account into your Phantom Wallet. Well, in this case, it's not yet possible. But what you could do here is you could actually do a send or receive option or transaction. So the great thing about Phantom Wallet and Coinbase here is they allow that. So for example, if you want to basically receive funds from your Coinbase account into Phantom Wallet, what you need to do is you just need to choose the receive option. Choose whichever crypto you want to receive here. So for example, I want to choose Solana. By the way, by default, this is use the Solana network. Otherwise, it's going to indicate that in here. But yeah, let's go and click on copy here. Let's go ahead and go back into our Coinbase account. And what you could do is you just need to basically click on the send crypto option, choose your Coinbase wallet, and from here you just need to basically specify which ever crypto you have. So for example, you have Solana, you could go ahead and choose Solana here if you have one, and basically you should be able to proceed with the transaction itself. So yeah, in here, this is what you may be seeing when you click on the send option. But yeah, so in here, you just need to specify the to address, which in this case, going to be the address that we copied before from our Phantom Wallet. And you could go ahead and add your note here, and you could go ahead and choose the pay with option. So again, you could go ahead and basically choose the appropriate crypto for that. But yeah, so go ahead and just review the fees here. So that includes the Coinbase fee, network fee, and also the amount here. But once you're done, go ahead and click on send now, confirm a few things, and you should be able to send or send your crypto from one wallet to another here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.